How to fix EAFC24 DirectX function error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the EAFC24 DirectX function error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So in this video, we'll do two things. There are two methods. The first is, let's just begin. The first is open up your control panel. And after you open up your control panel, head over to your drivers, head over to device manager. And after you're on your device manager, you should see your display drivers. Just choose your display drivers, open it up, and there head over to driver. Now update your driver. You can update it by whichever method that you find best. So after you update your drivers, you're basically good to go. Now I do not actually need to update my drivers, so I'm just leaving it as it is. So yeah, this is the first step, update your display drivers. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is you can collapse all of these windows and open up a web browser. So here you'll need to search for DirectX. So I'll just search for DirectX for Windows 11. And after you search for it, you'll find a Microsoft version of it. You'll see a Microsoft website. Just open that up, and after you open that up, you'll be able to download a DirectX. So download this, and after you download this, just set it up. So open this up. Now accept to the terms and conditions, go to next, install everything that's necessary. I'll just just make sure that I do not install it. I'll just cancel this because I do not need it right now. But for you, go through the installation process, and after you go through the installation process, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically how you fix the DirectX user error, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.